Imagine cooking under the open sky, surrounded by fresh air, warm sunlight, and the laughter of your guests. Outdoor kitchens are no longer just a luxury. In 2025, they've become a must-have feature for modern homes. Whether you have a cozy patio or a large backyard, these 36 stunning outdoor kitchen ideas will inspire you to create your own beautiful outdoor culinary space. The outdoor kitchen trend has exploded in 2025, blending style, comfort, and functionality in ways we've never seen before. People are moving away from simple grills to full-fledged outdoor setups with counters, lighting, sinks, and even pizza ovens. In this video, we'll explore covered outdoor kitchen ideas and design inspirations that are both practical and breathtaking, perfect for any home size or style. 1. Modern covered patio kitchen. Create a sleek, covered kitchen using metal frames and glass roofing for an elegant, modern vibe. This setup protects from rain and sun while keeping your design light and open. Pair it with built-in cabinets, pendant lighting, and a stone island for a luxurious touch. 2. Rustic outdoor kitchen with stone finish. If you love a natural and cozy look, go for rustic stone walls and a wooden pergola. Add a fire pit or brick oven for that countryside charm. This style feels timeless and blends perfectly with nature. 3. Compact balcony kitchen. Even small spaces can shine. A compact outdoor kitchen on a balcony or terrace with foldable counters and a mini grill is perfect for apartment living. It's stylish, space-saving, and functional. 4. Poolside outdoor kitchen. A poolside kitchen is the heart of summer parties. Include a sleek counter, mini fridge, and bar stools. Guests can grab snacks or drinks while relaxing by the water. 5. Pergola-covered outdoor kitchen. A pergola adds shade and architectural beauty. Decorate it with hanging lights or vines to make your outdoor kitchen cozy for both day and night gatherings. 6. Mediterranean-style kitchen. Bring a touch of the Mediterranean with terracotta tiles, blue mosaic backsplashes, and wrought iron fixtures. It's warm, inviting, and full of coastal charm. 7. Outdoor kitchen with dining extension. Blend your cooking and dining areas seamlessly by adding a built-in dining table or bar extension. It keeps everything social and practical. Cook, serve, and enjoy without leaving the space. 8. Industrial chic outdoor kitchen. For a bold, contemporary look, go for concrete countertops, matte black metal, and exposed brick. This trend fits perfectly with modern urban homes and rooftop settings. 9. Covered outdoor kitchen with skylights. Love natural light? Add skylights to your covered setup. They let in sunshine during the day and showcase the stars at night, making the space usable year-round. 10. Minimalist white outdoor kitchen. Clean lines, white finishes, and subtle wood details create a minimalist yet elegant look. This design keeps the space bright and timeless. 11. Outdoor kitchen with fire feature. Combine your grill area with a fireplace or fire pit for warmth and ambience. It's perfect for chilly evenings or late-night gatherings. 12. Tropical resort-style kitchen. Use bamboo textures, rattan furniture, and lush greenery to give your outdoor kitchen a vacation resort feel. A thatched roof adds character and shade. 13. Smart outdoor kitchen setup. Integrate smart appliances, Bluetooth lighting, and Wi-Fi grills for a high-tech outdoor experience. You can control temperature, lights, and music right from your phone. 14. Outdoor kitchen with pizza oven. Nothing beats the aroma of fresh pizza outdoors. Install a wood-fired oven as the centerpiece of your setup. It's functional and instantly adds a rustic Italian vibe. 15. Multi-level outdoor kitchen. Create zones for cooking, dining, and lounging by designing your outdoor kitchen on multiple levels. It adds visual depth and organization to your backyard. 16. Covered kitchen with outdoor bar. Turn your outdoor kitchen into an entertainment zone by adding a bar counter with stools and LED lights. It's perfect for evening drinks or weekend gatherings. 17. Stone and timber fusion. Combine natural stone counters with timber beams for an earthy yet elegant look. This blend of materials is trending in 2025 for its balance between luxury and nature. 18. Open concept garden kitchen. Skip the walls and go for an open layout surrounded by plants and greenery. It feels refreshing, peaceful, and perfect for morning coffee or outdoor dinners. 19. Coastal beach-style kitchen. Opt for whitewashed wood, rope details, and turquoise tones for a beach-inspired aesthetic. Great for homes near the coast or anyone who loves seaside vibes. 20. Covered kitchen with outdoor lounge. Pair your kitchen with a comfortable lounge area, complete with sofas, lighting, and rugs. It turns your backyard into an outdoor living room. Styling tips. Add string lights or lanterns for evening charm. Use weather-resistant materials like stainless steel and stone. Include a mini herb garden nearby for fresh cooking ingredients. Invest in good ventilation and shading for all-season comfort. Outdoor kitchens are no longer just a trend, they're a lifestyle. From rustic stone setups to sleek modern designs, there's something for every taste and space. Whether you dream of family BBQs, poolside parties, or peaceful garden dinners, these 36 outdoor kitchen ideas will help you build your perfect outdoor retreat. So start planning, and take your cooking beyond the walls of your home.